this is the Catalan team and welcome to a tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create and execute test cases in Catalan using record and playback mode. Let's get started. First, to create a test project, go to File, New, Project, and this new project box will appear. First, give your project a name. Then, you can either choose a specific type of test you want to create here, or you can just choose generic if you want to run more than one type of test. Next, select a sample project to run your test on, or you can start with a blank project. Here, allows you to integrate code stored in some outside platform like GitHub. Now give your project a description if you wish, click OK, and then you have a new test project. Here, before you create any test script, you also have the option to integrate with Catalan Test Auth, a centralized location for all of your test result and advanced report. In this video, we're not going to focus on Catalan Test Auth for now, but watch out for a future tutorial. Moving on, this is what your screen will look like. On the left panel, there are many tabs to explore, which we'll now go over really quick. The Test Case tab is where you store all of your automation test cases. Object Repository is where you store all of the web locator that the keyword is going to interact with. The Test Suite tab is where you can run multiple test cases at the same time. Data File is where you store the actual database file you use for your tests. Checkpoint is where you store a snapshot of test data taken at a specific time to compare test data in various testing points. Keyword is where you obtain the capability of Catalan Studio. Finally, this is where you add customized test step of choice, and report is where all of your test reports are stored. Now, to create a test case, go to the top panel, click on Record Web button, and this box will appear. Now input the URL of the web you want to test. Then, click on the browser logo, then this tab will pop up and your test is being recorded. Here, you can see a red border surrounding every object in the tab. And everything you do, every object you click on, will be recorded here. Also, in this panel you can see the object you're interacting with and change their name or their properties as your choice. Now let me create a simple login test for you to see. Now you have your test script. Let's save it. Click Save Script, save all this locator, give it a name, and you have your first test case. With this login test case, you can run in most browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, you name it. However, here I want to show you another way to create a new, advanced test case incorporating the login test case you just used. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a booking appointment test case for you to see. First, go to Test Case, New, and give it a name. Then, I'm going to drag this login test case into this Book Appointment tab on the right. Click the record buttons on top, click Yes, and your new test case is in progress. First, click this Play button to play back all of the steps in your old login test case. Now all you gotta do is normally go through the actions you want to test. To finish creating this test case, you will want to create a verification point to verify that you have successfully navigated to the final page that you want, or in this tutorial, the appointment confirmation page. So what you want to do is click on the object that you want to verify, or in this situation, the appointment confirmation object, go to the panel on the right, and give it a verification keyword that we have on this drop-down. Here, I'm going to choose the simplest way to verify my object, which is the verified element present, set a timeout, or a time that the test is going to wait for the object to appear to verify it. Here is 30 seconds, and click Save Script. Choose to overwrite the test case, and here you have another test case for yourself. As Catalan supports most major browsers, I'm going to run this test on Firefox instead of Chrome for you to see. And that's the end of our tutorial.